Good morning, off on another hike, going to Oswegatchie Hills State Park in East Lyme, exit 74 off of I-95, and it's New Year's Eve. And by the time you watch this video, it will most likely be 2019, so Happy New Year, everybody. Beautiful day. At least there's no snow or rain. Rain's supposed to be coming later. It's 34 degrees on my car thermometer, so looking forward to today's hike. Okay, here we are at Oswegatchie Hills Nature Preserve. I thought it was a state park, but I guess it's a nature preserve. But looking forward to the hike. Got a good group out this morning. But let's see, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11, 12. About 12 hikers this morning. A little cloudy day, supposed to get rain later on. Okay, here we are out hiking. Beautiful day.
Good morning, Ed.
Good morning, Claudia.
Nice day for a hike.
Yeah, it is. Hi, Ed. Changing terrain here, going down through these rocks, these little bushes. Everybody kind of discovered this little painted rock here in the crux of the tree. The tree doesn't look too healthy right now. It looks like it's going to have a short life. Next windstorm, it's pretty dead. But it's kind of an interesting find here along the trail. Boy, this is very different up here on top of the hill here. Huge series of granite. It looks like granite rocks here. I believe there's a quarry over here too. I'm sure we'll have a story about that pretty soon. Now there's hardly a cloud in the sky. Okay, people are getting warmed up here, climbing over the rocks. Always a challenge to try to stay warm in the beginning. You're usually too cold, and then after about 20 minutes of hiking, you get too hot. Just watching the dog into the mud. Oh boy. He's looking up saying, is anybody watching me?
I'm guessing there's a bathtub in the
That's good. Well, we'll move past the lake right now.
Yeah, maybe. Well,
Oh, the talon would scare me.
his blonde coat turned black with the mud.
We want them to let it go. We kept it for much longer than
Yeah.
you should. also it's white there, and so
Yeah. Well, it's the old quarry, I think.
Okay, we're finally at the top here. We're into the sun, but you can see Long Island Sound from here.
Yes. Beautiful. Fearless leader Vic. Hi, Vic. Wave. Nice smile.
You're a good fill-in.
And who else do we have?
I'm Bill.
Good morning, Bill and
I'm Ned.
Ned.
I'm Jeff.
Jeff.
I'm Stain.
Stain.
Michael.
Two Mikes.
Mike.
And that little lady behind. And there's the photographer, Ned. Ed. Good morning, Sonia, Denise. Good morning. Hi, Ed. Happy New Year.
You gotta do a selfie, Claudia. All right. I think you better take that away from her, Ed.
Somebody built a little teepee here. Maybe the Boy Scouts have been active.
A leaky pad on the snow. And they woke up with 3 or 4 inches of snow.
Oh no.
He's been cold ever since.
Wow, it's interesting here. There's a bridge. Looks like it's been blocked off for some reason.
It's not quite open yet.
Oh, it's not quite open. Oh, it looks brand new.
Yes.
Just heading down this trail here. Got to be careful, taking slow steps on these routes. Back to the parking lot. Oh, beautiful bridge. Opened in the spring of 2019. Very nice bridge. Okay, just finished our hike at the Oswegatchie Hills Nature Preserve. Great day. Temperature has gotten warmer. A little bit cloudy right now, but everybody's waiting for New Year. So happy New Year to everybody. Yeah, it's New Year's Eve. Waiting for that ball to drop on Times Square.